everyone. Today we'll see the problem XOR queries of a subarray. We'll see the problem statement first and then see the intuition and then let's code. We'll see the problem statement first. You are given an array ARR of positive integers. You are also given the array queries where queries of I equals to left of I and right of I. Okay. For each query I, compute the XOR of elements from left to right. That is, you need to find the XOR of all the elements within the range from left to right. Okay. Return an array answer where answer of I is the answer to the ith query. Okay. We'll see how the intuition goes and then let's code. Okay. Given array equals to 1 3 4 8 and a query list which is 0 1 comma 1 2 comma 0 3 comma 3 and 3. Okay, you need to find the XOR of all the elements in between them including this. You need to populate a result list which contains all the answers for these queries. This is what we are expected. To do this problem you need to know two rules. I mean two things. The first thing is truth table for XOR. If you consider there are two inputs, what are all the possibilities that we have is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What will be the result when passed through XOR operator? You'll have 0 0 is 0 and 1 1 will be 0. The rest will be 1 1. This means if there are similar set of bits, you'll have a result 0. If there are different set of bits, you'll have a result 1. Okay, and the second thing is XOR operator follows associative principle, which means A XOR B XOR C is equals to B XOR C XOR A. The order doesn't matter. Okay, this means XOR operator follows associative principle, and also XOR operator follows commutative property, which means A XOR B is equals to B XOR A. For example, if you see here, if you think A, this is B, 0 XOR 1 equals to 1 XOR 0. Okay, that means XOR operator follow commutative property. Okay, now we'll see the intuition, how to solve the above problem. If you think we are given an array as such x1, x2, x3, x4, what I will do is I'll try to pre-compute the XOR of all the elements in the way they appear in the array. Pre-compute. I'll take a list and put. For the first time, I'll directly put x1. Okay, instead of x1, I'll rename it to A. What will be the second value? Let's say this is B. B will be XOR value of x1 and x2. X1 is already A, so I'll put A. A. Okay, B is this. Now what will be the value? If you think this is C, what is C? XOR value of these two. See, B XOR x3. If you think this is D, what will be this be? XOR value of this two. D equals to C XOR X4. Okay, that's how we try to compute the pre-compute. Now what we will do? We'll go through each and every query. Okay, if the queries here are 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, 3. Okay, we'll come to this particular query afterwards. We'll see this. We are asked to find the XOR of these two elements. Indexes of these are 0, 1, 2, 3. These two elements XOR we need. For that, what I will do, I'll go to this particular pre-compute. I'll take this C value. Okay, what C value? B plus B XOR X3. Is it right? Yes? Yes. Now I'll replace B with A. No, let it be as of it. Uh, you need XOR of this. You don't need XOR of this. Is that right? You only need XOR of this particular two. I mean index of this. Only need XOR of these particular two. But here B has XOR of A. Yes. What we'll do here, we'll try to take C XOR the XOR of this one, previous element of this, which is this. The pre-compute value for this is A. We can write C as B XOR X3 XOR A. B can be written as A XOR X2, and we will write this as it is XOR A. What is 1 XOR 1 or 0 XOR 0? It will be 0. So we can remove A. So final value will be X2 X3. What we need? The XOR of these two. You got it right? We got the XOR of these two. Now we'll see the other one. Other query which is 0 to 3. The case where 0 is there, we'll leave it as of now. We'll see 3 and 3. 3 and 3. Take XOR value of 3, which is this R value. What is it? B. And do the XOR with, if this is L and this is R, take the pre-compute value for R and do the XOR with L minus 1. Pre-compute value of L minus 1 is C. Okay. What can C be? You write the equation for D. C XOR X4 XOR C. C gets cancelled because XOR operator is associative and commutative, so the order doesn't matter. So I can XOR operator C XOR C. So C XOR C is 0, and only the variable X4 will be there. That's what the answer. You only need to give the XOR value for this particular element. That's how it works. If there is 0, you don't need to check the XOR previous value because there are no elements previously. So directly you can give the pre-compute value for the R. Okay. If you see the query 0, 1, you directly give the XOR pre-compute value for the index 1. If there is for this, you directly give the pre-compute value for 3. That's how it works. Okay. Firstly, what you need to do, we create a list which will pre-compute the XOR in the order they come, and then find the answer for each and every query using this particular thing. Okay, now we'll see how to code. If you see here, we'll pre-compute, let's say this, and it will contain ARR of 0. The first one doesn't change, so I am putting it as such. Now I'll try to iterate over array from index 1. What will be pre-compute of -1 XOR ARR of I. What I am doing here is take the previous pre-computed value and XOR with the current element in the array. So we'll get the XOR values of all the elements till that particular index. Okay, we found the pre-computed values. Now what I need to do, I'll try to iterate over the queries. If I'll have a result variable to store the result. If L double equals to 0, I'm handling the case where L double equals to 0. Directly give res dot append pre compute of R, else return pre compute of R XOR pre compute of L minus 1. L and R are the indexes, so directly give this. I mean res dot append, not returning res dot append. Will append to the result variable and then return res. We'll run this. What's happening? Oh, for this we need to continue. If we found this, do this and then continue. Don't come to this particular line. Okay, this pass. I'll try to submit this. See, this passed. Okay, if you have any questions, please comment them in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe.